Shannon.
I'm Kayvon.
And we are New York Nomadic.
Welcome to our travel channel. We're a couple of backpackers from Queens.
And we road trip and travel whenever we possibly could the past couple of years. But now, after finally saving some money and quitting our jobs, we're traveling full time, baby. And with you guys.
You motherfuckers.
We very much enjoy putting these videos together and hope you find them useful. So please subscribe and join in on the fun.
Recently, we maxed out both of our credit cards. Recently, we maxed out both of our tourist visas in Thailand. And we spent a whopping 10 weeks exploring all around the country. And there is so much to share.
This is going to be a fun vlog because in this video, we're going to share our very first sleeper train experience.
We had no idea what to expect. We'll be going from Bangkok all the way south to the region of Surat Thani.
From there, we'll be taking a shuttle to try and catch a ferry all the way to Koh Samui Island. Now, this whole journey took about 15 hours and we recorded everything, so let's not waste any more time.
First, we ordered some Grab bikes to Bang Sue Grand Station, where we got our tickets and would go back later that evening to catch our train.
And we're getting on our first sleeper train.
You can't tell, we're tired. So we're gonna take some nice naps.
Hopefully. Are you nervous?
Yeah. No, I'm not nervous. I think it should be good.
Yeah. I feel like I've watched enough on YouTube, so.
Alright guys, well, we'll see you on the sleeper train.
Yep.
We're gonna give you a tour.
This isn't our train, we're waiting for the next one.
See ya.
One thing I would also recommend is to look for your sleeper train tickets a little bit in advance.
Especially during high season.
We still got a place on the train, but if we would have known, I'm sure we could have gotten the bottom bunk, which is much bigger, can sleep 2 people, and it also has a window.
And like we said, we would have got that even if we booked 2 extra days in advance. What you got? Number 11? Show us. We have a little spot to put our stuff, but most of it's right there. Huh? Yeah. Okay, so I thought I'd show you guys the bathroom. Someone's in there. You should get toilet paper. Oh, that was risky.
What I've never seen before.
Thank you. Don't forget to lock your seatbelt. Safety first. I'll see you on the other side. Good morning, y'all. We are still on this train. It is freezing up here, so just kind of remaining in a little ball. Trying to stay warm. We're about an hour, I want to say, away from our destination. So it hasn't been bad. I'm going to go wake Kayvon up. I'm trying to avoid going to the bathroom this morning, but hopefully I make it, guys. Wish me luck. Kayvon. Morning.
Morning.
How you feeling?
Okay.
Well rested?
Yeah, well rested for sure. I knocked out pretty hard. My tummy hurts a little bit.
You don't want to go use the squatter potty?
I wait.
Where are we going?
Koh Samui.
Yeah, how do I know that? Koh Samui Band. I think that's so funny.
The shuttle and the ferry ride to the island was a package deal booked through 12Go Asia online.
My calves. We're going inside.
But if you're looking to save a little more money down south, you can take an overnight bus from Bangkok and then you would catch the ferry, and there's different price options for them too based on the length of the journey and which island you're going to.
To Koh Samui. It's there. We made it inside a taxi. We were way too hot and exhausted to figure out any other form of transportation.
Yeah, and we have to get going.
Yeah, my tour is starting in a couple hours. I guess he's a content creator.
That stops so short.
Not open the right.
Yeah.
Yes, I don't know left or right.
Anyway, so I'm going on a tour with a content creator. You might know him, but I won't give away too much. So we're gonna go drop Kayvon off at his hotel. He's gonna be alone for the week. And then I'm gonna be doing my thing for the week on Koh Samui and Koh Phangan.
Should be interesting.
Really fun week I had planned. So we'll go back and forth a little bit, maybe show you what I'm up to, what Kayvon's up to.
Ending this vlog. We hope we showed you just how fun and not so bad the sleeper train is.
Sure, you can get there a lot quicker by flying, but where's the fun and the experience in that? And this is also a great option to save some money.
And I would say we got some decent sleep too. I felt way less tired than I usually do on travel days, so.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Our next video will be a backpacking guide to Koh Samui. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Until next time, bye-bye. Peace.